It's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews. My address is there. If you are not familiar with my channel, welcome. Today we are unboxing, this is a children's subscription box. This is from a company called MEL Science. So MEL Science makes monthly STEM kits for kids. So they have a few different options. This is their chemistry box. I'm going to do this with Penny. But awesome Christmas gifts. So MEL Science has a STEM box that's for ages 5 to 9, the chemistry box that's great for ages 10 to 16, the physics box that's great for 8 to 14, and they're coming out with something called MEL Med, which is for 14 plus. It's available for pre-order now. Subscriptions start at $25.90. I do have a coupon code for you guys. Ashley50 will get you 50% off your first month. That's exciting. So this is their chemistry kit. Now, we're just going to unbox this here. This is not going to be as exciting as it could be, but I am going to do a full review on my blog. Penny and I will create these things together. This is their chemistry kit. So when you sign up with MEL, you do get a starter kit, which is really nice, and I'll show it to you. But on my blog, we'll actually do the experiments and things like that. I believe there's 2 in each box, but we're going to find out. All right, so you open this guy. Don't worry. This is just like an outer box. There's other boxes inside. So right on top, we have all this stuff. And here we have what I believe to be, these are like their augmented reality glasses. Do you remember a long time ago I did one of these? So you slide this out and then you open it up and you have these like cool, you put your phone, they have like an app. You put your phone in here and then you can do AR with these cool goggles they have. I think that's such a neat idea. And I mean, like, it's not like super complex, the idea behind it, but nobody else is thinking of it. So, I mean, way to go, MEL Science. I'll take it. All right. So here is our kit. It says tin. That's all it says. I don't know what else. This set contains chemicals that may be harmful or if misused. Read cautions on individual containers carefully, not to be used by children except under adult supervision. But here is your starter kit. So inside the starter kit, it's actually really cool. Hold on. Okay. Inside, my scissors right here. You have a starter kit manual, safety glasses, plastic beaker, glass flask, rubber stopper, funnel, small funnel, pocket stove and flame diffusers, cork hot pot stand, plastic tray, disposable cups times 45, smartphone clip-on macro lens, smartphone stand. Can I open this? Come on. Come on. Did I ever tell you guys about how I had a box? Oh, that's because I was opening it wrong. You probably all knew that. All right, so here's it all. Here's it all. Here's a little instructions stuff. Tray. Beakers, goggles, these guys. Cups, the stand. This thing that catches the fire. The 2 pairs of goggles. That's actually cool. They have a funnel, this clip, another funnel. This is the way to light things on fire. It's an amazing kit. It really is. Like, that's great. It's an amazing starter kit. If your child is interested in chemistry, that alone is probably, they'll love it. All right, but we're gonna get into the actual experiment. If I can open it up. Ha ha ha, right. Just kidding. All right. So it does say 10 plus on here, obviously. And you slide it out. Welcome to science. And this is tin hedgehog. A zinc pellet turns into a hedgehog. So basically every experiment in here we are going to be doing is a tin something or other. And then we're making tin dendrite. A metal tree grows before your very eyes. That actually looks so amazing and cool. I'm very excited. I'm not gonna lie, I nerd out to this stuff. All right, so we have some in this, they have it all separated, right? Because we're gonna do it by step. So there's little 4 packets and they're all labeled. This one has liquid soap and zinc in it. This one has sodium hydrogen sulfate and tin chloride dihydrate. This one has sodium hydrogen sulfate and tin chloride dihydrate. And this one has tin, so we can do the one 3 times and the other one once, or I don't know, some version thereof. These look like maybe lids to those little bottles. We have some cables right here. Now, I don't know what these will be used for yet, but we'll figure all that out together. There is a paper clip. There are some gloves. There are 2 Petri dishes. There is a battery charger with your, what are these called, Penny?
Those are called wires.
I thought they had a better name. She thinks she's funny. Don't laugh at that. I hope you guys aren't out there laughing at her disrespecting her mother like that.
I am the funniest person ever.
All right, get out of here. I'm filming. Toodles. All right, and then we have these 3 little plugs. And then we have these 2 little tubes. Do you like these very, very official names I'm using? Tubes, plugs,
wires.
But we do have the most important thing, which is the instructions. All right, so that is everything that we received in our mail chemistry. If you are interested in checking this out, use the coupon Ashley50, my affiliate link down below, to get 50% off your first box. We will do these experiments on my vlog. I know she's excited. You guys are so excited. Let me know down in the comments which one you want to subscribe to. I think the med sounds fun. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful, happy holiday season. And, you know, hug your loved ones. Say I love you. All right. Toodles, guys. Bye.